Everyone, today we are going to discuss about recreational therapy. Hope you all know the meaning of recreation. Recreation means are the activities which we are doing to create fun, to create some pleasure and enjoyment. This recreation we can use to improve your physical, psychological and social well-being. In this video, we are going to study how these recreations we can use to improve the wellness and improve the mood of patients. What is recreational therapy? Recreational therapy is a type of therapy that uses activities such as music, sports, leisure activities to enhance and improve a person's physical, psychological abilities, independence, and overall well being. So, this therapy is using to improve a person's physical, psychological, social abilities, independence, and overall well being of the patient. Recreational therapy is always based on the patient's needs and preference and which focus on patient's overall rehabilitation. That's an important point. Always the therapy is based on the patient needs and preference and it can take place in an inpatient setting or inpatient hospital or medical setup or at home with the guidance of a recreational therapist. So it is a kind of therapy which used to improve the physical, psychological, social well-being of a person. What are all the benefits of this recreational therapy? Recreational therapy will helps to improve your mood. At the same time, it also improve overall well-being of the person. Overall well-being in the sense it will helps to increase the coordination, cooperation, appetite. It will improve the immune system, improve the conversation capacity and skills. It will improve your concentration and attention span. It will helps to reduce the physical problems like it will helps to reduce insomnia like health problems and better body image perception. So it will improve the mood. At the same time, it will improve overall well-being of a person or patient. Recreational therapist. Who is working as a recreational therapist? Recreational therapy is provided by a qualified professional known as certified therapeutic recreational specialist. So, certified therapeutic recreational specialist can provide this recreational therapy, and the particular person must possess a bachelor degree or higher degree from an accredited university and a formal clinical internship, that means practicals, and passing a national competency exams for therapeutic recreation. So anyone can give recreational therapy like that. If you think that's absolutely wrong, because it's a fun, it's a recreational leisure activity, so anyone can suggest like that. If you think that's absolutely wrong, recreational therapy can provide by a qualified, enough experience, certified recreational therapist. And where is practical recreational therapy is provided? Recreational therapy we can provide in the patient setting, outpatient setting, home setting, rehabilitation center, mental health center, shelter homes, pediatric hospitals, mental health hospitals, and special schools. So, in all these places, we can provide recreational therapy. But one thing we have to think while giving this therapy, that is all the recreational therapies and type of therapies are depend upon the needs and preference of the patient. Indication. In which are all the conditions we can give this recreational therapy? We can give recreational therapy in all age group with physical disabilities or physical problem. To older adults, we can give recreational therapy. Individual with psychiatric disorders, pediatric patients, and youth at risk, and people with developmental disabilities or brain injuries. So, in all these groups, we can give recreational therapy. But one thing again I want to tell that it's all depend upon the patient needs, patient's interest and preference. What are all the types of recreational therapy? Nature therapy, it is a type of recreational therapy. Nature therapy involves walking through a natural setting with the therapist and interacting with the nature. It's nothing but interacting with nature, and it is a great way to reduce stress level and increase self-awareness. Another kind of therapy is recreational music. Music is a great motivator, as we all know that music has some power and music can do a lot of magic in our life. So we can say music is a great motivator. Music therapy means not only just listening music. If you listen the video of music therapy, you can understand what is music therapy detailing. So, music therapy is not just listening music. Music therapy means listening music, reading music, writing music, playing music instruments, etc. So, playing any music instrument helps to improve fine motor manipulation or motor skills. It will improve your motor skills, and rhythm and tune matching in music therapy or music will improve the conversational exchanges and verbal requests, and also it helps to improve eye contact. So music therapy is another type of recreational therapy to improve your mood and overall well-being. Recreational art therapy. Recreational art therapy helps to improve self awareness, physical well being, and mental well being, and it also helps to express all feeling and also enhance confidence. So, that's really interesting. It helps to improve your feeling, it helps to express your feeling through the arts. The patient can express their feeling. If they are sad, the picture will like that. If the art will like that. If they're happy, the art will like that. So it helps to express all the feeling and also enhance the level of confidence. If you see the art, we can understand whether the patient is happy or whether the patient is sad or whether the patient is confident or not. Other therapy is dance or movement therapy. This will integrate dance and music, and this therapy also will improve your motor skills and concentration. And the therapy is horticulture therapy. Horticulture therapy means we are interacting with plants. Here we are interacting with nature by planting and gardening, etc. Horticulture therapy helps in coordination and muscle strengthening through the motions of handling plants. Memory will improve by learning about plants and the gardening structure. Social interaction will improve by working with others. So, horticulture therapy can do a lot, and this therapy will help to improve the coordination of muscles, coordination of activities. It will help to improve the memory, and also it helps to improve the social interaction also. So these are all some type of recreational therapy which used to improve the mood as well as to improve overall well-being of the patient. While coming to the history, we can say in 1984, the American Therapeutic Recreation Association was formed, and according to this association, recreational therapy composed of some special aspects such as assessment, planning, intervention, evaluation, and documentation, or simply we can say APID, that's a short form of that. So, in recreational therapy, while providing recreational therapy, the recreational therapist must focus on these points. A stands for assessment, P stands for planning, I stands for intervention, E stands for evaluation, and D stands for documentation. So, a therapist must focus on APID while giving therapy to the patient. Recreational therapy should be evidence based. That is another important point in the history we can see. The qualified recreational therapist will assess the stress. Stress means the body's response or reaction to any kinds of threat or any kinds of demand. And stressor. Stressor means what? Which will create stress and current situation. So before going to start the therapy, the therapist must assess the stress, stressor and current situation. After that, they have to plan some strategies to overcome the problem. After that, intervene with skills from the planning stage. Then evaluate the effectiveness of the plan and the intervention. And at last, document the feedback experience to track the procedure. So, the qualified recreational therapist must do assessment, planning, intervention, evaluation, and documentation the feedback completely while doing recreational therapy to provide good recreational therapy to improve the mood as well as to improve the well-being of the patient. Here we will see some examples of recreational therapy. Exercises. Exercises like aerobic, cardiac or any kinds of exercise, but that all depend upon the need of patient. Yoga. Yoga we can use as a type of recreational therapy. Walking, aerobics, and that is depend upon the condition of the patient. Active games like indoor games or outdoor games. Arts therapy already we have discussed. Crafts, woodworking, working in the community gardening like horticulture, animal care, listening music, that is music therapy, just like indoor games. These are all some examples of recreational therapy. But One thing always, just keep it in your mind that all these type of therapies and all these examples or all these type of therapies we can use, but this is depend upon the needs and preference of the patient. That point we have to keep it in our mind before starting or before giving recreational therapy. So we can conclude that when considering recreation therapy, find out what process is used to determine which recreation activity will be used as a part of therapy. The therapist should work to understand their client's interest and passion and include some of these activities as a part of their therapy. Hope you understand this. Thank you.